Let's go ahead and create a scorecard for two-man teams or 2 players per scorecard. In our options and scorecards, we have 2 options you can use to create the scorecard. Our first option is under the 18-hole scorecard or the standard basic grid for the 18-hole scorecard. To create this scorecard, we're going to choose players per card as 2, or if we have team numbers in the player list, by team. We're going to select 2 for now, and we're going to create the scorecard based on 2 men and 2 people on the scorecard. Our options are to print 1 per page, or by clicking on 1, 2 per page. For this example, I'm just going to keep it 1 per page. We have the option to display up to 3 highlight lines. So if we want to, we'll click on highlight line 2 and 3. We're going to dot all 18 holes of the scorecard. And because I wanted to show one team, I'm going to create scorecards and current scorecard only. This will create the scorecard in Microsoft Word. Once the scorecard has been created, we now have the option to make changes to the fonts and colors of the scorecard or add watermarks. To do that, we're going to close Print Preview, and we're going to go to the Add-ins option in Word, and you'll see that fonts, colors, and watermarks can be added or changed in the scorecard. This is option 1 to create a 2-man scorecard in Tournament Expert. Now let's take a look at example 2. To create the second example of 2-man scorecards, we're going to use our unique feature of the tear-off scorecards under the scorecard option. When our tear-off scorecard is selected, and we have print 1 per page selected in our options under tear-off scorecards, we can then create a scorecard for 2-man teams. To do that, under players per card, we're going to select either by team of 2, if the team numbers are in the player list, or 2. We can then add a highlight line if necessary for scoring, and we'll do that in highlight 3. This one defaults to the bottom of the scorecard, and then we can create the scorecard in Microsoft Word. We're going to dot all 18 holes, and then again for this example, I'm just going to create the current scorecard only. Using the tools and this unique looking tear-off scorecard, we now have created a 2-man scorecard with a highlight line for scoring at the bottom, plus a marker score for the team scoring can keep their score at the bottom as well. Additional changes can be made to this through fonts and colors, again, by clicking on Add-ins and using fonts, colors, or watermarks that can be made and changes done to the scorecard. This shows you a couple of great examples to create 2-man scorecards through Tournament Expert. Thank you, and have a great day.